So for today's video, I am going to teach you on how to unlock cells in Microsoft Excel without the password. So basically, first go to the sheets or file that you have an locked sheets or even locked cells, and after that you may wanted to select the cells that you wanted to unlock. So basically, after that you need to right click and go to the format cells, and under the protection, make sure it is not toggled on the lock, and after that you need to click the OK. So this tutorial is only available or working if you are currently the owner, but if you're not the owner and you wanted to unlock the specific cell that you wanted on the Microsoft Excel, you may know the password and it is impossible to open or unlock the sheets or even the cells that you wanted without a password. But if you'd like to, you need to decode it, or you must zip or unzip that one and manually check the file and find for the password and protection under the note, and that's all.